Newmar has always taken luxury seriously. For the ultimate in first-class, top-tier travel, this majestic coach pushes the boundaries of majesty farther than any Newmar coach to date. It stands apart from the crowd and from the industry. It's our pleasure to take you on this tour of the all-new 2021 King Aire luxury motor coach. The 2021 King Aire is truly the jewel in Newmar's crown. With over 100 new appointments for 2021, the King Aire is the epitome of luxury. With world-class, completely unique features, it's a coach that elevates travel beyond your wildest dreams. We'll begin in the King Aire cockpit. The captain's chair and passenger seat are both the finest Italian full-grain leather and heated and cooled. A standard massage feature takes your comfort to the next level. The newly redesigned dash is also covered in real leather. When it's time to share driving duties, the King Aire's memory settings for the steering column, pedals, and side mirrors make it easy to swap out. Your safety is a priority, so each King Aire comes equipped with a number of cutting-edge safety features, including a mobile eye lane departure warning system, adaptive cruise control, on-guard collision mitigation technology, and a tri-view camera system that grants you a 360-degree view of your surroundings. You'll also find a tire pressure monitoring system, electronic stability control, and automatic high-beam headlights. And to help guide you to your destination, the standard Rand McNally navigation provides turn-by-turn directions. The new custom-tuned Harman Infinity audio system is the premium in luxurious listening, offering rich, crystal-clear sound. It's ideal for any audiophile. The cockpit is also outfitted with wireless charging pads and an additional passenger-side navigation monitor. And a Samsung tablet allows you to command many of your King Aire's features and functions with the touch of a finger, like the lights, electronics, shades, and more. Now let's move into the King Aire's expansive living room. Designed with your comfort in mind, the space is outfitted with furniture covered in the finest Italian full-grain leather, designed and made by Williamsburg. Here in floor plan 4531, you see 84-inch theater seating with massage and heating features, and a 42-inch Euro booth dinette with 2 additional chairs. A number of other configurations are available to suit your tastes and preferences, including a Williamsburg Visionary tri-fold sleeper sofa, storage ottomans, chaise lounge, and tri-fold sofa. The King Aire also offers the highest in entertainment features. In the living room, there's a massive Samsung Ultra High-Def 55-inch 8K LED TV, Sony Blu-ray player, and a Bluetooth-compatible Bose SoundTouch soundbar. As you see here, a second Samsung QLED TV is mounted overhead. And of course, a Wi-Fi package comes standard for ease of streaming entertainment and staying connected. You'll find it easy to achieve the ideal temperature wherever and whenever you travel, courtesy of 3 heat pump central air conditioners and a remote control thermostat. New bonded windows with chrome interior trim and square edges allow for an unobstructed view and let natural light stream in. This particular King Aire showcases our elegant Mesa decor fabrics. Heated porcelain tile flooring is found throughout the coach, along with a multitude of other stylish touches, like a newly designed accent wall feature in the living area and a stunning vent-free feature ceiling. Speaking of, the interior ceiling height measures 85.5 inches. The King Aire's well-equipped and stunning galley features a number of residential-style appointments that would delight any professional chef. Right away, you'll notice the new concealed LED lighting that beautifully illuminates the new hand-laid backsplash. Quartz countertops with newly designed edging are only available in the King Aire. The handmade European-style solid hardwood cabinetry features a gorgeous diamond gloss finish and soft closed doors. The large residential-style Viking refrigerator shines in stainless steel. Beside the refrigerator in floor plan 4531, you see the spacious pull-out pantry. And the all-electric appliance suite is sure to impress, boasting a top-of-the-line Wolf induction cooktop, an envy of cooks everywhere, a Fisher & Paykel dishwasher, a Viking 30-inch convection microwave concealed behind a power-operated cabinet door, and a Hansgrohe faucet. The generously sized farmhouse sink adds style to the space. A midship half bathroom sits at the middle of floor plan 4531, ideally positioned for hosting guests. Inside, you'll find many of the premium design elements we'll cover in the master bathroom. The King Aire Master Suite is tucked away behind a sliding door. Naturally, a king-size Sleep Number adjustable mattress is accompanied by a goose down comforter. A Samsung QLED TV sits flush with the cabinets, and a Blu-ray player and Bose soundbar are positioned opposite the foot of the bed. You'll also find a matching residential-sized 24-inch Bosch front-load washer and dryer. In the King Aire Master Bathroom, every day feels like a spa day. An incredibly spacious 50-inch by 34-inch shower awaits you in floor plan 4531, featuring a glass door, tile accents, a fold-down bench, and a warm water conservation system. Across from the shower, a super polished solid surface vanity top complements the new hand-laid backsplash and hammered stainless steel sink. The 2021 King Aire is available in 3 floor plans, each 45 feet in length. Today, you've been looking at floor plan 4531, which features 3 power slide-outs, including a full wall slide. The King Aire is built on a Spartan K3 tag axle chassis, equipped with a safe haul auxiliary braking system. 605 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque come from a Cummins diesel engine with connected diagnostics. To make sure you stay powered up no matter where you go, 2 Xantrex lithium-ion power packs with 2 inverters come standard on the 2021 King Aire. Welded to the chassis is our Star Foundation, a steel superstructure that adds support and promises a quiet ride. Our exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish, seen here in Dorian, decorates the outside of each King Aire and is made possible by BASF and industrial finishes. Outdoor living is yours to embrace beneath the dual Girard Nova side awnings, which are equipped with wind sensors and LED lights. The outdoor entertainment system grants you a Samsung QLED TV and a soundbar, perfect for tailgates or other get-togethers. And the Domenic pull-out cooler keeps drinks and food cool in even the warmest weather. It's all powered by a 12.5 kilowatt Cummins Onan generator with auto changeover. For your peace of mind, the King Aire features keyless entry and a new camera monitoring system at the entry door, which is viewable on an app or from inside your coach. It's not an exaggeration to say the 2021 King Aire is opulent and one of the most luxurious coaches on the road today. Experience the royal treatment. Experience the King Aire. On behalf of everyone here at Newmar Corporation, we want to thank you for joining us on this tour of the 2021 King Aire.